Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Stock Doctor RR. In this channel, we do pure technical analysis of US as well as Indian stock market. So today in this video, we are going to talk about three major index of US stock market. Those are Nasdaq, Dow Jones, S&P 500, and we are going to talk about two precious commodities, gold and silver. So before we start our analysis, in case you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon so you will get the notification of all future videos which I am going to make on this channel. Sometimes I make videos in middle of the week also, whenever I see some important changes or important events in the market from where market might give a U-turn. So subscription and uh, hitting the bell icon is very important so that you will get the timely updates. So without wasting a time, let's go ahead and start our analysis. Let's go to the trading view. First chart we are going to talk about is the Nasdaq. Friends, in last many weekly analysis videos, I have clear cut told about Nasdaq that Nasdaq 100 has a very strong resistance around 13,600, and in the middle of week also I mentioned that market might take a u-turn, and it actually took a u-turn from 13,600. Now it is trading at 12,100, almost 1,500 points down move from the levels we mentioned. So it was a very big move which we captured on Nasdaq 100. The same happened with Dow Jones and S&P 500. The time I mentioned or I informed about Nasdaq 100, same time I informed about Dow Jones and S&P 500. All three index went hand in hand and they went down. So now where market will go from here? So we are going to talk about that. This is a day time frame. You can see Nasdaq 100 has a strong resistance around these levels. This is the first resistance level. Let us zoom it here. This is the first resistance level. This is the second resistance. We have not touched the second resistance here, but it's a nearby area. And the third one is here, around 13,600. So this is very clear that unless and until we are not crossing above this trend line, we are in the bear market. Meaning we need to cross on any day, we need to cross and trade above this trend line. So for example, you can consider like this: if we get this kind of candle which is above the trend line, and after that we are continuously going up, that means we came out of the bear market. So this is very important thing which we need to watch out for. So now let's talk about the uh, you know nearest time frame, what is happening, where short in the short time where market might go from here. So this for the Nasdaq 100, you can see 12,200 is the important point to watch for. If market starts trading about 12,200, I'm sorry, currently trading at 12,100. Once we start trading above 12,200, then we might go for 12,450. This will be the first target. If we trade and sustain above 12,440 or 12,450, then we might start trading towards 12,650 and then 12,950. These are the levels for the upside. For the downside, if it doesn't cross 12,200 and we start continuously trading downside, then we are going to see 11,800 very soon. And if we trade and sustain below 11,800, then 11,500 and 11,000. These are the three big levels which I am going to watch for. So for me, if you ask me personally, for me market is sell on rise. If by any means we come near 12,200 or 12,450, this will be the level I will watch for the shorting the market, and I would eventually watch all these levels: 11,800, 11,500 and 11,000. So this is what I think. If we see the weekly chart of the Nasdaq, you can see here clear cut. 2 weeks back, go and check my weekly analysis video. In that, I clearly mentioned that this is a bearish harami or bearish engulfing, or you can say it's a bearish harami pattern. From here, you saw that market give a very big downside. Almost you can see 5% here on this date, and on this date or on this week 4%, almost 9%. It's a very big move, my friends, which we catched by doing a simple price action analysis, right? So weakness is still there in the market, but we need to be very wise, and we need to find the levels, or we need to make sure that when we do shorting, definitely our risk reward ratio should be very good. With the small stop loss, we need to ride for a big targets. So this was for Nasdaq weekly chart. We have seen monthly chart. We will not see. Oh, we can see the monthly chart because monthly candle has already created last. This is the monthly candle of the August. Okay, so this is not saying anything particular, but it says one thing very clearly, that all the upside which we had, the top which we had, that half of the top was uh, uh I mean, we didn't sustain on the higher side. From the top, Nasdaq 100 went down by almost 50%, right? So this candle says that there is a still weakness in the market. So let's go and talk about Dow Jones. For Dow Jones, same we have for the monthly chart, right? Half of the upside we have half of the upside taken out by the uh, sellers. So this is the weekly. This is in the weekly clear cut. You can see it's a very nice evening star pattern on the weekly time frame, right? First candle is green, second is doji, and third is a red candle. So this is the clear cut indication that we are still in the downtrend. And if we see the day time frame, these are the levels for us right now. 31,200 is the area to be watched, or level to be watched. If it starts trading above 31,200, currently we are at 31,300, so if we are above 31,200, then we can claim for 31,680 should be the first target. 32,200 will be the second target, right? And for the downside, once we start trading below 31,200, then first target, immediate target is 200 points down from here, that is 31,000. Second is 30,650, and third is 30,430. These are the three targets which I am going to watch for. Same strategy on any rise in the market, definitely look for the shorting opportunities. The next index we have is S&P 500. For the S&P 500, one thing I saw is that S&P 500 is testing its trend line support. First trend line support was here. Let me see here. First trend line support was here. Second trend line support was here. And third trend line support is coming out here. So from here, what we can understand is that once it starts trading above 3950, this black line, once it starts trading above 3950, then it can go for 4,000 and for 4,100. And if it stays above 4,100, then it can go for 4,200. On the downside, okay, if it doesn't sustain above 3950, like if it goes here and from here it take a u-turn, then first target is 3850, second is 3740, and third is 3635. These are the three targets which I am going to watch into S&P 500. So I hope, my friends, you understood the levels of all these three indexes, now we are going to talk about two precious commodities. First, we are going to talk about silver. On the silver, I observed one thing, that silver is beating down very heavily from last few months. If you see here, this is the top of $27.50, and currently it is trading near $17.88. This is almost, I think, 25% down from the top, if I am not wrong. Wow, we are down by 36% in last 4 to 5 months, my friends. March, April, May, June, July, August. In 5 months, silver is down by 35%, right? Silver is still in the downtrend, okay? But we are expecting a pushback, technical pullback on the silver. So let me zoom on the day time frame and let's see why we are saying that we can see a pullback. The very simple reason is let us change it into the hourly time frame. On the hourly time frame, sorry, 4 hourly time frame, I want to check it first. See, this is a kind of consolidation happening on the level between $18 and 17.50. Now $18 to 17.50 is the strong area where I saw that the silver is trying to consolidate, because there is a tug of war happening between buyers and sellers. You can see these big wicks. This says that 17.50 is a very strong support for silver, my friends. 17.50, keep this level, okay, in your mind. 17.50, unless we are trading, unless, I mean, if we trade below 17.50, you will see the more weakness in the silver. But unless we don't cross below 17.50, I am seeing the level of the first target of 18.10, second target of 18.40, third target of 18.70. These are the three targets which I am looking for in the silver. Once silver starts trading below 17.50, silver will go more down from there. So this is all about silver. If it starts trading below 17.50, then first target is $17. Now we will talk about gold. Same strategy for the gold. Gold is beaten down, okay, and on the day time frame, it has created a bullish engulfing pattern in the gold, and same happened in the silver also. So I'm expecting a pullback or upside. The first target for gold will be 1760 dollars. Second is $1780. Third is $1820. Where is the support or stop loss for the gold? Gold has the stop loss around 1675. I am seeing this as a very strong support, and it is not going to trade below 1675 at this point of time, because it is having a very strong support, and before it starts trading below 1675, I think it will give a one upside. So that's why I am bullish in both commodities, silver and gold. So I hope, my friends, you learned something out of this video. We talked about uh, Nasdaq, Dow Jones, S&P 500, and gold and silver. uh, I will come up with more videos like this in future. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the videos, comment on the videos, share it with your friends and family members, and last but not least, let's learn and earn together. Thank you, my friends. Bye bye.